In database management system, we have to discuss the relation algebra. In relation algebra, already discussed as a selection operation, then projection operation, then Cartesian product. And Cartesian product is nothing but when we can use relation algebra. So that time the cross symbol is used for the two tables. Just we have to connect with the another table. So that time the one row is associated with the another tables. Rest of the field is there. The rest of the record is there. Five record is there. One associated with the five records. So that time we are doing Cartesian product. Cartesian product nothing but making a lot of repetition. So how we can avoid the repetition? So that case, joint concept are given for that. That is more advantages. Repetition should be the avoided with help of the joint concepts. Join is nothing but join the combination of your following the selection process. Join operation is a pair of two tuples. In two tuples, nothing but two records. When we can having the two tables record we want there, so that time we can use the tuples. In relational algebra, it's called as a tuple. In SQL language, called as a record with a different relation. Nothing but are tables. If you and if we given a joint condition is satisfied, we briefly describe the various joint concept following the section. The Cartesian cross symbol, when we can join concept, there is a way we can write a different symbol, but this is a binary operation. Binary operation nothing but the two table is required. The projection selection is a unary operation, so that time one table is there, we can give the display your result. So that case we use the selection of a projection for the unary operation, and binary operation nothing but two table is required. So on the basis we have to do the operation as a union intersection is a part of that. Then Cartesian product, a join is also the your binary operation. That case the two table, that is the two relation is required. So when join concepts, there is a three types, that is a theta join, equijoin and natural join. When natural join symbol is this type, the symbol is used in your relation algebra. Outer join, there is a left outer join. So in this case a symbol is visualizing to the b, the relation table of a to b. So that time this symbol is used. A right outer join is there, all the record from the b which is not matched with an a. Fill outer join nothing but both the tables we have to display the record. So that case we are using the full outer join. Inner join is three types. Most of the time is used for the natural join. When in a SQL, it is main important when we work for that. Outer join, that on the basis of query, what expected query is there. So the people using the for left right join is used. So in this case, when we use the inner join, so the theta is there natural and equijoin, and outer join is left, right, full. In inner join is used to return a row from both the table which satisfied the condition. It is most widely used join operation. It can consider as the default join type. When I could not means the two table one field should be the both the tables one field should be the common in between two tables. On the basis of which is a record is match, it is nothing but we satisfied. That time we can use a equal symbol. Equal symbol nothing but the two table I want to which is match record is, so that case we can use in this case two record of t1 t2 which is a match in the inner between, so that time that is called as the inner join. So this record we can fetch from the both the records from the t1 and t2. So that case we can use the inner join. Inner join or equijoin is comparison operator. Join is used equality comparison in the join prediction. If we use the other comparison operators like greater than, it can be called as a equijoin. Inner join further is divided into theta join, natural join and equijoin. So that both the records should be the match in between T1 T2. So that time record to be fetched. So record will be displayed. Another we can use as In this case, what we can use a left outer join. Left outer join. So that case, what we can use that all record from the left side of T1 and which is match with T1. So that time we can use as a left outer join. So the left, right and full outer join is there. So in this case, we have to use all record from the left side the table and which is the match with the record of T2. So that part of record is displaying. There is a left outer join. Right outer join record from the T2. All record from the T2 which is matched to the T2. T1. So that record is displaying. This is a part of that which is match in between. So when we can use the inner join, so that time both the record should be the one record should be common in between both the tables. So that time we have to fetch the record. So that case is a inner join. But in this case, all record from T2 and also it displaying the your T1 record which is mapped to the T2. So that case use a right outer join. So full outer join is nothing but both the table record will be match or which is not match, that record will be displayed. That is your full outer join. So that case we can use outer join. Extension of join operation avoid the loss of information. Computer join. Add the tuple nothing but your records. One relation that does not match tuple, other relation is a result of the your join is a null value. So null value nothing but which is not match record. So that case is a null value is used. Null values signify that value is unknown, does not exist. Some field when we can enter the forms, some of the field is there, so that time we have to not sure of the record, so that time we can use a null values. Most of times when feel the those having the rural people, they use they make account in a bank. So that case what mandatory field is the name, address, phone number is mandatory is there. There is another option today is used for the your email id. So those having the very farmer that having no mail id, so that case we have to specify it as a null value. All record is exit, but some field is having unknown about that people are not make account in a gmail account or maybe the Rediff mail account. So that case that value is having the null value. Comparison values null are roughly speaking is a false definition. Will study a comparison nulls later. So in this case, just example of relation. This is the loan table. In this loan table, what we can enter in the relation is called as a loan in relation algebra, and your DBMS language called as a table, and your relation algebra is called as relation, and relation is borrow. One loan number is 170 130 and a branch name is downtown Redwoods Perry Ridge branch is there, and whatever the amount balance of this loan is having the 3000 4000 and 100. And borrower table, borrower nothing but those having the take amount. Who is the person is there, that is a customer name Johns, Smiths and Hayes. So loan number is having the 170, loan number is 230 and 155. So in this case I use inner outer join. Inner join I have to just use for that. So what is the difference between I use inner join and when I use left outer join? So in this case, what is difference and what is the query is written for that is already in previous tables. So relation loan, these are the records, and relation borrower, this is the record. So in this case, what we can I use the loan and table is another for as borrower. I use the inner join. So in this case, which is the common thing is there when I use the inner join. Inner join three type is there. Theta join is there. Then you can sell equi join is there and natural join. So in this case, what we can use that. So I use the loan. This is my table. That is relation borrower. One common field is the related loan number. So loan number is nothing but L170, 230 and 155. So that case what we can display the record of this query, this query is there. So that case what record is displaying which is match. So related 117 and 230 is there, two record is there, but rest of the thing is inner join, which is not match with the second table. 170 to 30, so which is match with what, L70 is Johns, and second record is having the Smith. So both the match record is there, so that time display in a inner join. Rest of the record is related loan number is the 216, and related L55, that is Hayes. So this person, the both the record is not matched, so that time inner join record is not displayed. Both the loan number are matched with the relation borrower. So that case only the ones, L17 230 is matched with the second table. So that time that record all be fetched. But rest of the things, L260 is not displaying. The same like L155, the record is not matched, is not displaying. uh, Please keep in mind when we can use a database managed system, so that time you have to very aware about the what table and what record to be fetched. So that is the inner join. Record is matched, so that time we have to fetch the record. Record is not matched, so that time we could be skip that concept. Same thing is there, is already discussed related inner join, which is match in nothing but this record of T1 and T2, which is match. So that record will be fetch and display the record. So that case you can use the inner join. Another example for this, what we can use the left outer join. Left outer join is nothing but all the record from the left table which is not matched with the right table of record. So in this case, what table is there? Three record of loan number 170, 230 and 260 is there. So in this case, what record is playing? All the record from the left side of table, and which is also the match with the right side of table, and which is not match, that record not displaying. So that case his record is not displaying. So in this case I have tried 117, 213, 216 there, but that customer could not find there. So that case I want to find the only the customer name of that person of related this borrower table. So that time his is not matched, so that case is record will be displayed as a null. So in this case, on only the two table record is displaying. The John Smith is there, so only that record is displaying. But this Hayes record is not displayed. So using the null. When unpredicted record is there, so that time we can use as your null value. So in this case, use a left outer join. Another case, how you can use right outer join. The same table I have to display here. So that case, what record is there? So in this case, I use a right outer join. All record from the borrower table and also the match with the left side of table. So that case, I use the right outer join. So in this case, what we can showing there, this table is important for that right outer join. So John Smith is there, so record will be displaying, and what this related L170 to 30 is there. So that case 155, the record is displaying here, and rest of things is having the your null value. So value is not matched of the branch name null. So this record is not matched. So that case is a non-null. So it is called as a right outer join. All record from the right side table and also which is matched with the left side table. So this is case, and which is not matched, so that time result will be displayed as a predicted as a null value. So in this case use the right outer join. Full outer join nothing but all record of the left side, also record of left side record. So you have to use as a full outer join. Full outer join nothing but all record will be displayed. In this case, the table I have to show in the right side, loan table of all record, and also the your borrower table. All record of John Smith is Hayes is displaying, and related what some record is not matched as related 260, so null value, and Hayes record is there which is not matched with the loan, so that time this null. 155 there is not record is visualized what is the branch name and what is amount, the record related only the Hayes is there. So in this case 260 260 is not present in the borrower table, So that case your customer is a null value. So that case is a null. So unpredicted record is there. So that case you can use that your full outer join. So whenever we can unknown value, so that case we can just specify your null values. No null value most time related that it is a not values. So if it is possible tuple that have null value denoted by the NUL for the sum of the attributes, null signified that is the unknown values, that value does not exist. Some value is not exist, so that time you can specify it as null. Result of any arithmetic expression is involved with a null, that is you can null. This representation of this word is aggregate function simply ignore the null values. Arbitrary decision could be written as null result is instead of. We follow the semantic that is SQL query language. We can use SQL that is a null values. Duplicate elimination of grouping null. So as like in other values, so two null value is going to be a same. Alternative assume null is different from each other both the arbitrary decision. So we simply the following of an SQL. So many time there is a concept of the your related what is inner and outer join is there. So that case at least you have to know about what result is expected. When this is the relation algebra, that is only for prediction. What record is expected in your related part of your relation algebra. In SQL, this thing is we have to implement in a structure query language. Structure query language, nothing but when you use as a SQL, so that time there is a data definition language, data manipulation, data control language is there. So there is a DDL, DML, then DCL and TCL is there. So these are the your manipulation language we have to write in SQL. SQL is one type the Oracle concept. In Oracle, you write the queries and then on the basis of you enter the record and we can fetch the record. So is relation algebra we have to implement in the case of where it in SQL. The same concept we have to implement related when we can learn the Oracle concept. In Oracle, how we can create the table, what are the data type is the same like in somewhat level of your C programming and C++. So that case there is a create table is there, so you have to write a table name. Then what suppose you have to use alter table is there, you can delete your table. So that case at least you have to aware about your SQL concept. In relation algebra, at least you have to understand the concept, what are the concept is there and what are how we can use there. So when you can use your relation algebra, symbolically representation is important. And in SQL there is a keyword is there. When you can use the equijoin, then you have to use the left outer join is there. The keyword you can use in SQL, that is a left outer join. This word is there, but in a representation of your relation algebra, symbolically representation is there. So when you can write a query in as related relation algebra, symbol is important, and but it related in SQL, so at least you have to write a English keyword. So on the basis the query is executed. So in next lecture we have to discuss how we can create table, how we can manipulate the table. So all things we have to discuss in later.